Good morning, parents and dear students. As you all know, our school is going to conduct an online pre-mid examination from 5th August. So today I am going to guide you that how the student is supposed to attempt the examination. I will be explaining the whole procedure. Before that, I would like to mention one important point, and that is that there will be no conduction of re-exam of online pre-mid examination. So be prepared in advance with proper net connectivity. Now coming to the first step is that the link of the exam will be provided through Google Classroom. So you have to open the app and enter into your classroom. Here you can see you must have received a message with the details mentioned as date, time and subject. Now below that a link has been provided. You have to click on that link and that link will take you to the question paper. As you can see that the paper is in front of you. You have to click on start. As you click on start, you can see the question paper has opened. It has the following details like name of the exam, date, class and the subject. Now you have to fill all the information that has been asked. Remember, you are supposed to write the full name of yourself. One thing you can do that before appearing in the exam, keep all these things in your mind properly so that there is no mistake and your time is also not wasted. Now, after filling all the required details, click on next. As you click on next, a page of instructions will open. Read all the instructions carefully and keep in mind the point number 7. That is very important, which I will explain at the end. Now, after reading all the instructions, click on next. Now the question paper has opened in front of you. You can see the questions. There will be 20 questions. Each question will be having 3 options. All the questions are MCQ based. So read the question carefully first, then read the options carefully and then tick on the answer. If you are not able to solve any question at that moment, you can skip that question and go to next one. But don't waste your time behind only a single question. Now, if you choose the wrong option by mistake, for example, I am explaining. The question is, what is the height of Mount Everest? The answer will be 8848 meters, the first option. But by mistake, I have clicked on the second option. And now I remember that the second option is incorrect and the first one is correct. So you don't need to worry. Just go to the question and click on the correct option. So the answer will be changed automatically. Then while doing the questions, be very careful and be calm. You can take 1 minute to think for each question. So there is no need to hurry. Solve all the questions carefully. Now, here you can see a submission tracking ID is given in which it is written do not change. See, this point I was telling earlier, the point number 7 in instructions. This is very important. Why? Because if you edit or change it by mistake, this ID means the response. Your answers will not be submitted. Your exam will not be recorded. That will mean that you have not given the exam. So while attempting the exam and while submitting, be very careful that you do not edit or change the submission tracking ID. Be very careful. Now I will submit. So I will click on submit. As I clicked on submit, you can see a message came that this is a required question. That means by mistake I have missed this question. So I got a notification that I have to answer this question. So I'll read the question and answer the question. Now I will click on submit. Now you can see the option is there, means the message came that your option has been recorded, means you have successfully completed your exam. Now while submitting the response, you may get a Google verification code, means a answer the question correctly. If you attempt the question incorrect, then you may get a new question again, and that may affect your timer. You have to maintain that time also. You have to keep in mind that you are having only 30 minutes. So keeping in mind, be very calm and be very careful while answering each and every question. Then also, if you face any technical problem, the school is there to help you, guide you and support you. But be prepared from your side with proper net connectivity and full charged phone. All the best to all the students and thank you.